Families have been thrown into crisis by this week's announcement that the Landing of Silver Spring, an assisted living and memory care facility in Colesville, has been sold, and residents have been given 45 days to get out.
This is just the worst case of elder abuse.
I'm afraid the move is going to kill her.
Families fear it will be all but impossible to find someplace safe and affordable by November 15th, the deadline announced Monday by Leisure Care, the company that operates the Landing. This crisis has sharpened the focus on shortcomings in the state law that protects elders, according to critics. A 45-day notice is all that is legally required.
That's why we have bill hearings.
Today, veteran Maryland State Delegate Sandy Rosenberg, who chairs the House subcommittee overseeing long-term care, pointed out there are better protections for renters facing condo development than there are for the state's most vulnerable elders in a memory care facility.
45 days notice shocks the conscience.
Rosenberg says the law needs review and he's open to changes. In the meantime, Rosenberg urged Omega Healthcare Investors, the $10.3 billion real estate investment company that bought the Landing with plans to close down and renovate, to consider doing more than just the minimum the state law requires.
Well, we can only urge them to do something now. This is a healthcare business, and one hopes that they will act in the interests of the health of the people who are under their care.
Kathleen Perry is scrambling to find a place for her 101-year-old mom, Rosemary.
This is the worst possible news I could have possibly got, other than my mother's death.
Omega Healthcare Investors has not responded to WUSA 9's request for comment. Meanwhile, the Maryland Department of Health Office of Healthcare Quality says it is reviewing regulations to see if there's more that can be done. Regulations require that the owner report what it's doing to help residents relocate and report when and where people are moved. It's been a week, and no moves have been reported yet. Scott Broom, WUSA 9.